Hello world, it's October 1st, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber Alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Apple advises iPhone and Mac users to install latest updates addressing font flaw. Tesla releases patch for TCU bug, allowing root access through vehicle USB port. EvilAI malware posing as AI tools infiltrates global organizations. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. WestJet reports cyberattack that compromised passenger IDs and passports in June. Hack of U.S. surveillance provider RemoteCOM leaks sensitive court information. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. Scattered Spider and ShinyHunters restructure operations as new attacks begin. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.